Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're back camping in the green swamp and we're going to cook some breakfast on the good old Lodge Carbon Steel. It's a continuation of our review for this product. Alright, so our coals are lit. So what I like to do when I'm starting a cooking fire, I like to start me 2 good sized pieces on either side and put my coals down in the middle. Alright, and that gives us a place to start bringing over some of our small stuff, kind of bridge it across there, and it won't take long. We'll start getting us a bed of coals. We're gonna cook some breakfast. All right, so we got a decent bed of coals going there now. We'll go ahead and bring over my little grill. Another good reason for having those 2 logs on either side. I got some wood standing by here. We know with this carbon steel pan, it's not gonna take a whole lot of heat to get that thing hot. A little oil in it. We're not quite level, but may be able to fix that real quick. A little log here. Yeah, maybe not, but it's camp cooking. Everything's not going to be perfect. Let that warm up. We'll switch that around the pan. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Let's see how hot it got. I got some patty sausage here. And we got a little sizzle. We don't want to cook these too hard anyway. I tell you guys, you can't beat breakfast cooked out on an open fire in the middle of the woods. The Lodge Carbon Steel pan does a pretty good job on not a whole lot of heat. I'm going to go in real quick camp cleanup of the Lodge Carbon Steel. Just a wet paper towel. While it's still hot. Got it sitting on the edge of that fire. A little scrub. Get some of that sausage spawned out of it. But that cleaned up pretty nice right out here at camp. It's ready to use again. So how did the Lodge Carbon Steel pan do overall on the cookout here on the campfire? I thought it did great. Weighs about half as much as a similar size cast iron. Definitely going to be throwing this in my camp gear from now on. So thanks for watching the Backwoods Gourmet. If you like what we're doing, please smash that like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right over there. To see another great video on the Lodge Carbon Steel pan, going to be right there. And for a whole playlist of cast iron, Dutch oven cooking, going to be right over there. We'll see you next time.